Hi guys, we are coming to you from Philly in our hotel room, and Craig is going to cut off all of my natural hair because we had a mishap yesterday. My hair was fine. I'll insert a picture of me 2 days ago, and I decided to wash it here at the hotel, but we didn't have any of my shampoos or conditioners or anything like that, so I thought it would be okay if I used the shampoo and conditioner that the hotel provided, which it was not a good idea because it was full of sulfates, and also I think the water was a little too hard, so my hair reacted in a weird way. It actually dreaded itself up. If you can kind of see, it's literally in dreads, like freeform dreads, and it's not because I slept on it or anything like that. As soon as I got out the shower, it just dreaded up, like immediately before our eyes. It was locking in place as I was trying to like comb it and put it in twist. So yeah, so today we're just going to get rid of it all. So Craig, if you could do the honors.
All right, I'm gonna start here in the middle.
Why start in the middle?
It just made sense.
Okay, all right. It's God probably calling me, telling me not to do this. All right. Oh, jeez, it's so dry, you guys. There's nothing I can do. I tried putting conditioner in it. There's no help. There's no help for it. So I just rather cut it all off and start all over. It's hair. It'll grow back. It's kind of devastating that we're doing this like not home, because I still don't have any of my products or anything. But this is kind of what we have to do. And it doesn't help that my hair was bleached. I think it just kind of dried my hair out like a ton, and there was no saving it after that, because the darker part isn't as dry, but the bleached parts are just, you can hear him cutting it, and it sounds like barrels of hay.
Get a good piece so you can hear it again.
Thank you. Yeah, it hurts. Actually, it shouldn't hurt while he's cutting my hair, but it actually hurts.
Sorry, it hurts.
It's okay, baby. It's just really super dry. Wow.
Oh, you should not be wearing this shirt.
It's okay. It brushes off. Cleaning people are gonna come in like, why the hell? Who did they? Did they rent this room solely to torture somebody and cut all their hair off? All right. I'm actually kind of excited about this. Like, it gives me a reason to.
It's a new you.
It's a new me, yeah. I look like Viola Davis. I actually kind of like it. Like, I haven't seen myself with like super short hair in a long time, but yeah, cut it. These tresses way too long. You need to cut it.
His hair is way too dry. You need to cut it.
You fatty. Can you get this one little inkly dink out of my face?
That one.
Thank you.
I'll save that one.
Oh, it itches. Needs to be moisturized. Yeah. I feel like my baby is just taking out frustrations on me that he's had. Like, he's not being helpful. He actually always wanted to do this. And he's excited. Shrinkage is a bitch, because it looks like you cut off a lot, but then when I go to pull something, I'm like, okay, well, it's not actually that short.
It's not.
Come to the show, I'll just go to the barber shop when we get home and I'll be bald. You made me look like Pennywise.
Sorry, I don't know how to fix it. I'm gonna keep hitting the blondest portions.
I think right now you should just take the clippers.
Think so?
Yeah, because at this point I'm getting smaller, like shorter things. They're not level.
Well, you
I think the clippers would be a good idea right now. Jesus Christ, I've not seen my head this short in a long time.
I feel like you're gonna want to probably put on a different shirt.
For the clippers?
It's, yeah.
Fine.
I'm getting a lot of
We'll be right back, guys. Craig says he wants to make me look like Grace Jones, but he couldn't remember Grace Jones' name, so he just said the black woman from Conan. Let's get ready, let's get ready. Ready, Freddy.
Alright. Alright, you sit there.
Okay. Hold on, they can't see me if I do that. Alright.
Right.
Yeah.
This is gonna be tough for me to do. But heights.
It's okay, level it all out. If you got to, just make me bald.
No.
Yeah. I'm excited. I'm worried about your health. What is your experience with actually clipping the hair?
Who can say where the road goes?
Bitch!
Huh?
I've clipped a Cocker Spaniel before.
Oh my god.
It's been years ago.
Oh my goodness.
She looked adorable.
How deep are you going? What guard do you even have on that thing? Oh,
Ain't no guard on this thing.
oh my god.
I'm going at it.
Woo! Feel like Samuel Jackson.
Come on, Unbreakable. Yeah.
Yeah, give me the Lapita. Fuck me up, fam.
I'm just taking the top layer off. I'm gonna even everything up.
Okay. Yeah, take the top layer off first. Oh, don't worry. I see myself in this camera how fucking crazy I look. I see how crazy I look.
See, you got a pretty face.
Look
You don't
at...
need
Pretty sure it took a long time to get a perfect fro. Beautiful people use that for shit.
It's coming out though.
Yeah.
You want everything round?
Yep, everything round, please.
Gosh, I really wanted it flat.
No.
Alright. I'm gonna start from the top all the way.
Okay.
See, I would trim all this. Can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. I'm keeping. Let me hold your. Alright. Damn
What you mean, goddammit?
it. Cord. I'm getting the cord stuck and it's pulling my cover. Now I went in too deep here and I gotta even it all up again.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Got a dent.
Yeah.
That's okay. Just make the back a little shorter. Yeah, I can feel it dent right there.
Yeah, that's where my thing pulled.
It's okay.
I'm gonna need
You want to just go ahead and go in the background?
Yeah, I just need more room for a minute.
Alright guys, so we decided to just go with a wig today. Craig has cut almost all of my hair off, which...
Blaming.
I'm not blaming you. I'm saying all my hair is almost gone. It does need some sprucing up from the barber before I could just rock a shortcut. So until then, we'll be wigging it. But I don't know. I'm just coming on here as an outro to say that hair is just hair, you guys. Although it does feel tons different. I have not had a haircut in quite some time. It's okay to cut your hair. It's okay to let it go when bad things happen. It's okay not to freak out and think about all the hours wasted moisturizing your tresses, all for one little foul hotel soap to come and sweep it out from underneath you. It's really not that big of a deal. The only big deal is that my hair is not cooperating. It's a whole new head of hair now. It doesn't do what I'm used to it doing. So we have to learn each other again. And I may bleach it again while it's short, experiment with some color. I don't know. It's short right now, so I think now is the time. Maybe before when I bleached it when it was longer, maybe that wasn't the time to start experimenting. And I guess she told me. But I don't know what my next steps will be as far as my hair journey. But I do know that I'm excited, and I hope that you guys stick around to follow it and see what we will do next with this head. Until then, stay bold, stay beautiful, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching my boyfriend cuts my hair video. I do have a few things that I did want to say, just to kind of clear things up before I get not a thousand, who knows how many people are going to watch this, but before I get a ton of comments down below with you guys' opinions, which I'm sure I'll get because the internet is famous for sharing their opinions, so I'm no stranger to that by now. But before we get into those few things, I did want to mention that this was a couple of weeks ago that I let Craig cut my hair when we went to Philly, and since then I've had one haircut. Right now it's going on 2 weeks ago, so I haven't had my hair cut in about 2 weeks. I have bleached it. I'm in the process of going white blonde, like completely white, and I will document that process and show you guys pretty soon. This is basically what my hair is looking like. I love my hair short. I've always loved my hair short, so it's not a big deal to me to not have hair. I wear a lot of wigs anyways. All in all, I really love my hair short right now. I cannot wait until I'm white. I cannot wait until my hair is completely white. I don't want to be white. I love my chocolate skin tone. Let's get that straight right now. But a few things. My hair was not damaged from the bleach, so I still have my curls. I showed you guys my picture of literally me 2 days before. It was literally, or it might have been even the day before we went to Philly. My hair was flourishing, it was full, it was bushy, it was Afrocentric, it was living. Like, it had bounced back from my original bleaching. I had Afro-G'd the hell out of it, kept it moisturized. My hair was fine. What made my hair do that is, the only thing I can guess, is the combination of the hard water at the hotel room and the Neutrogena shampoo, which dried out my hair like ridiculously. I've never ever I'm guessing it was just full of sulfates. Like, the shampoo was just full of sulfates. It doesn't necessarily have the ingredients on the back of those small bottles, and I've never had my hair act like that towards any hotel shampoo. So it was my fault for just kind of assuming the hotel shampoo was safe for my hair. What the universe had in store for me was rocking a baldy, and you know what? I think everything happens for a reason, because get into this little cut. Like, tell me this cut does not suit me. I don't know. I'm sizing it. But I really like my hair. So it worked out in the end. I'm really excited for this new hair journey that you guys will be taking with me. We will, right now I don't have any product in my hair. These are my natural little tiny coils that are popping. So I don't think, besides bleach, I'll be doing any kind of chemical enhancement. I won't be relaxing. I won't be texturizing. I have not had a relaxer in over 7 years, maybe 8. I've had no relaxer since I was in high school. So yeah, I won't be relaxing my hair. It's just not for me. I do love to color. I don't color my hair often, but I'm starting to really get into coloring hair. So maybe I will try a couple of different colors before I go back to black. And hopefully you guys will be here to see that journey. If you do have any questions, please listen down below. Try your hardest to be kind to me and to one another in the comments section. I'm trying to think of what else I can say in this video before you guys go ham down there. Yes, I know it is unorthodox for a black woman to allow a white man who's never cut hair in his life to cut African American hair. I'm aware of that. It's okay. There would have been no difference between Craig cutting my hair and me cutting my hair. There would have been no difference. We both would have been jacking it up. So I didn't care. I just wanted the rat's nest off of my head so that I was able to put a wig on. I didn't care how. I told him, I think I told him in the video, cut me bald if you have to. I honestly did not care at the time. I still don't care. Like, I could go bald right now and not care. I have so many wigs that it would not matter. Like, it really wouldn't matter. Hair is not a, it's not a thing to me. I know it's a crown for so many people and I respect that, but to me, hair is just hair. It's literally hair. It's the same as the hair under my arms and on my Anywho, that just about concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if I'm not looking into the camera. I have to make sure I stay in focus because my monitor isn't working right now. So I'm looking over here. I know that. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry, you guys, but I will do better. We're always having technical difficulties on this channel. That's how we get down. We like weaves, wigs, makeup, and technical difficulties. That's how we're going into 2018. I love you guys so much. Mwah! I will see you in my next video.